अस्सलाम वालेकुम स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप सब? ठीक है। अच्छा, आज हम 10th क्लास का फर्स्ट चैप्टर है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, इसकी एक्सरसाइज नंबर 1.1 सॉल्व करने लगे हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 मेरे पास आ गया। राइट डाउन फॉलोइंग इक्वेशंस इन स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म एंड पॉइंट आउट प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। यहाँ पर कुछ इक्वेशंस हमें दी जाएंगी, ठीक है। उसको हमने क्या करना है, सबसे पहले स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म में लिखना है और बताना है कि इनमें से कौन सी इक्वेशंस जो है वो प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशंस हैं। ठीक है, तो अब हम इसके ऊपर क्वेश्चन के ऊपर शिफ्ट होते हैं। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन सबसे पहले समझ लीजिए। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन वो इक्वेशन होती है जिसमें वेरिएबल यानी एक्स या कोई भी वेरिएबल आ सकता है, अननोन वेरिएबल आ सकता है, उसकी पावर जब भी 2 होगी वो क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन होगी। ठीक है, तो पार्ट फर्स्ट पे शिफ्ट होते हैं। x प्लस 7 ब्रैकेट क्लोज x माइनस 3 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7। यहाँ पर मुझे दो ब्रैकेट्स दी हुई हैं, इनको मैंने सॉल्व करना है और अपना क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की जो स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है उसमें कन्वर्ट करके बता देना है कि कौन सी प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन है और कौन सी स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म है। ठीक है, अब यहाँ पे शिफ्ट होते हैं। सबसे पहले हमारे पास क्या है, फर्स्ट पार्ट दिया हुआ है, एक्स दिया हुआ है। एक्स को हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे एक्स माइनस 3 के साथ, प्लस 7 को हमने मल्टीप्लाई करना है एक्स माइनस 3 के साथ। ठीक है, यानी इन दोनों नंबर्स को हम बारी बारी लेंगे और एक्स माइनस 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे। ठीक है, तो अब हम नेक्स्ट स्टेप पर शिफ्ट होते हैं। x को हमने x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, एक्स स्क्वायर हो गया, माइनस x को 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो 3x हो जाएगा, प्लस 7 को x से मल्टीप्लाई किया, 7x हो गया, माइनस 7 3 ज़ा 21 इज इक्वल टू माइनस 7। लाइक टर्म्स को लाइक टर्म्स के साथ ले आते हैं। एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 3x है, माइनस 3x प्लस 7x मेरे पास हो जाएगा 7 माइनस 3 इक्वल्स 4x minus 21. This minus 7 will come to this side, it will become positive 7 x square plus 4x. As we know that minus 21 plus 7 equals minus 14, because the greater sign is minus, so we'll insert minus here and we will subtract 21 and 7, which will become 14. So this is the required form या standard form of quadratic equation. As we know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation. So as we know that this equation is matching with the standard form, so we will write here as standard form of quadratic equation. QE stands for quadratic equation. Next, shifting to the part 2, x square plus 4 over 3 minus x minus x over 7 is equal to 1. Here we will take LCM of our denominators. So our denominators are 3 and 7. As we know that the denominators are prime numbers. Prime numbers are those numbers which can only be divisible by their number or 1. Next step is 3 times 7 equals 21. This is the LCM of this question. Here we have 21. As we know that 3 times 7 equals 21. So we will multiply 7 by our numerator, which is x square plus 4 minus, as we know that 7 times 3 equals 21. So we will multiply 3 by our numerator, which is x. So minus 3x equals 1. Now shifting to next step, we have, I am writing the next step again. 7 times x square plus 4 minus 3x over 21 equals 1. Here we will multiply 7 by both numbers. 7x square plus 7 4 the 28 minus 3x over 21 equals 1. Next step, 7x square plus 28 minus 3x. Here we will cross multiply both numbers, numerator by denominator and denominator by numerator. 21 times 1 equals 21. Next step, 7x square minus 3x plus 21. This minus plus 21 comes to this side and it will become minus 21. Here just 0 left here. Next step, 7x square minus 3x square. As we know that 28 minus 21 equals 7. As we know that the standard form of quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So these equations are matching. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation. Now shifting to part 3, x over x plus 1 plus x plus 1 over x equals 6. Here we will take the LCM of our denominators, which will become x times x plus 1 bracket close. As we know that x plus 1 times x equals this denominator, so we will multiply x with our numerator, which is x plus, as we know that x times x into x plus 1 is x plus 1, so x plus 1 we will multiply x plus 1 with this denominator, which is x plus 1 equals 6. Now simply multiply x into x square plus x plus 1 into x plus 1 equals to x square plus 2x plus 1. Simply put here. Next step, x square plus x square equals 2x square plus 2x plus 1 over x into x plus 1 is equal to 6. Here we will cross multiply this same equation as it is equal to 6 times x into x plus 1. Next step, 2x square plus 2x plus 1 equals 6x times x equals 6x square, 6x times 1 equals 6x. Now we will take our like terms, combine. Now we will combine our like terms, 6x square plus 2x square, here it comes minus 2x square plus 6x, here plus 2x, it will come to this side, it will become minus 2x plus 1, it will come to this side, it will become minus 1. Here we will subtract the like terms, 6x square minus 2x square, it will become 4x square, 6x minus 2x, it will become 4x minus 1. As we all know that this is the standard form of our quadratic equation, so here we will write here standard form, standard equation, या standard form, 4x square plus 4x minus 1 equals 0. Next, fourth part, x plus 1 over x minus 2 minus x minus 2 over x plus 4 equals 0. Here we will take the LCM of our denominators, which are x minus 2 times x into 1. Here it comes x into x minus 2. As we know that x minus 2 times x is equal to x into x minus 2, so we will multiply this x by our denominator, which is x into x plus 4 minus, as we know that x times x minus 2 equals x into x minus 2, so we will multiply x minus 2 with our numerator, which is x minus 2 plus, as we know that 1 times x into x minus 2 equals x into x minus 2, so we will multiply this same denominator with 4. 4 times this number is equal to 0. Next step, simply multiply both numbers, x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 times x minus 2 equals x square minus 4x plus 4. Here I have done the multiplication for you. You can also do the multiplication like this, or simply multiplication x times x minus 2 minus 2 times x minus 2 plus, we will multiply just x into x minus 2, it will become x square minus 2x is equal to 0. Next step, x square plus 4x, all the terms will be multiplied by minus and their signs will be changed. Let's x square plus 4x minus x square minus minus plus 4x plus minus 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 4x, and here it comes plus 4 times x square 4x square 4 times minus 2x equals minus 8x, and we will multiply 0 by x square minus 2x, it will become 0. Next step, this x square will be subtracted with this x square and it will become 4x square plus 8x square. This is minus 8x square minus 4 equals to 0. This plus x 8x square minus 8x square will be subtracted and it comes 4x square minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we will take common 4 on both sides. We have x square minus 4 times 4 times 1 equals 4 is equal to 0. Now we will take common here and we will divide both sides by 4. It comes x square minus 1 equals to 0. So this is the pure quadratic equation. Why this is pure quadratic equation? As the value of b is equal to 0. So this is pure quadratic equation. Now shifting to part 5th. Let's check the part 5th here. Next question, x plus 3 over 4 minus x minus 5 over x is equal to 1. We will take denominator LCM here. So the denominator LCM is x times x plus 4. As we know that x plus 4 times x is equal to x into x plus 4. So we will multiply this x by our denominator, our numerator, which is x plus 3 minus, as we know that x times x plus 4 is equal to x into x plus 4. So we will multiply this x plus 4 with our numerator, which is x minus 5. Next, shifting to next step. Now we will multiply this x by both terms. It will become x square plus 3x minus, we will multiply these both brackets. It will become x square plus 4x minus 5x minus 5 for the 20. Bracket close. As we know that here minus sign, because of this minus sign we have inserted a bracket here. Now the denominator is x times x plus 4, bracket close. Now we will cross multiply or add our like terms. As we know that minus 5x plus 4x equals minus x minus 20, bracket close. Next step, we will multiply this minus by each of the terms and our sign will be changed. Plus will be converted into minus and minus will be converted into plus. Now x square plus 3x minus x square minus minus plus x minus minus plus 20 is equal to this denominator will be multiplied by 1. It will become x square plus 4x. Next step, as we know that plus x square minus x square, this will be subtracted and just we have 3x plus 1x equals 4x plus 20 is equal to x square plus 4x. Now this like term, this plus 4x will become to this side and it will become minus 4x. This positive 20 will be come to this side and it will become minus 20. Next step, as we know that plus 4x minus 4x will be subtracted and next we have x square minus 20. As we know that the value of p here is 0, so this is the pure quadratic equation. So here we have indicated this is the pure quadratic equation. Now shifting to part 6. Here we have the part 6 is x plus 1 over x plus 2 plus x plus 2 over x plus 3 is equal to 25 over 12. As we know that the denominators are x plus 2 and x plus 3, so their LCM would be the multiplication of x plus 2 and x plus 3. As we know that x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to x plus 2 times x plus 3. So we will multiply x plus 1 by same, we will multiply x plus 1 by x plus 3 plus, as we know that x plus 3 times x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 into x plus 3. So we will multiply this x plus 2 with the numerator, which is x plus 2. Next step here, simply multiply. Here I have done a rough work for you. You can also see the multiplication process here. And now simply put the values here, x square plus 4x plus 3 plus x square plus 4x plus 4 over x plus 2 times x plus 3 is equal to 25 over 12. Simply we will add the like terms here. X square will be added in x square, 4x will be added in 4x and 3 will be added in 4. It will become 7. Now the denominator will also be multiplied and it gives us x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 25 over 12. Now we will cross multiply both sides. Here we have 12 times 2x square plus 8x plus 7 equals 25 times x square plus 5x plus 6. Now next step is we will multiply all of the terms by 12. It will become 24x square. When we multiply 12 by 8, it will become 96. When we multiply 12 by 7, it will become 84. Next step, 25 times x square equals 25x square. 25 times 5 equals 125x. And 25 times 6 is equal to 150. Now, next step is, now our last step is 25x square minus 24x square. 125x, here this plus 96 will come to this side and it will become minus 96, plus 150, this plus 84 will come to this side, it will become minus 84. As we know that 25 minus 24 equals 1x square, as we know that 125 minus 96 equals now 29, 150 minus 84 equals 66. So this is the standard form of quadratic equation as it is matching our standard form, which is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Both equations are same, so this is the standard form of our quadratic equation. I hope you have understood the question 1 of exercise 1.1 of quadratic equations. चलिए अपना बहुत सा ख्याल रखिएगा और दुआ में याद रखिएगा. स्टे कनेक्टेड एंड कीप वॉचिंग. अल्लाह हाफिज़.